Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alya Wulandari. I would like to do my reading report video for the topic 9 about the designing a formal test for a language classroom. So what I already read about this material actually explain about the what is the test and what the assessment. So it's similar with the previous topic in the first topic, if I'm not wrong. So it's about the assessment and test as a general. It's like actually what is the assessment and what is the test, and what and how we can differentiate differences between assessment and test. So that assessment is like the thing or the way how the teacher or the lecturer or we to see the student ability. For example, like the teacher or the lecturer see us look at the see us when we are speaking in the class, or we have the interaction in the class, and then give the assignment, also the presentation also can be homework too. So it's not about assessment is not about the exam, but the test is part of the assessment. So that is, we can say that is can be exam or like the quiz. So maybe like base my understanding, assessment is like the whole thing that have a lot of way to give the grade, but the test is the small one, like the exam or the quiz. And then actually why test is exist, it's already talked in the previous topic too. It's about to we to student know about where their level in, we can call that as the placement. And then we can know about what the weakness that we have, which part, which material, or which part maybe for like speaking or grammars. So it can be diagnostic too, and also to see the develop the process of the learning, and also to see the ability as a general for the proficiency and also for the TOEFL. So actually test is for help someone help us when they are in the learning process. And then what is the type of the test as a general? The first one is just I forget, sorry, the name of that type, but it's like they focus in one material or just one thing. For example, like the grammar test, yeah, so they just like test all the thing about the grammar. And then integrative is like the combine the other material. For example, that at the first the grammar, and then they combine with the writing or the speaking, for example. And then the communicative is like the task that is similar with the real life. For example, like having the conversation, and then writing email, and also yes, like the practical thing. But this can be like the something very work work because the communicative very useful in this day. And then there's like the rules when we are do the test. It's already taught in the previous test too. It's like the test is must validity, like they like they, if they want to measure or test the grammar, so the question is must have the grammar, just have the grammar, not to speaking. And then the reliability or consistently is like the result in must stable. So yeah. And then practically it's like not a really to make the student is hard to say that. And then realistic is like similar with the real life. And then actually what is the problem maybe that talk about in that is like the question is not relatable with the material, and then as too hard, and also like it's not practical ability. And then um yeah, we move with that the general topic about the designing formal tests in classroom. So designing a formal test in classroom is like how the how the teacher, or the way the teacher is can make the the test can be the right one. So first we it's talk about the what is the formal task is. The formal task is like the task have the formal, like they they the exact like formal thing that we always do that. So for example, like the mid exam and then the last exam, something like that. And then why teacher or lecturer must make the formal test is to give the grade, and also to check the or the to tracking their understanding, and also to see the develop and can be evaluate how they are teach that their student. And then also the way or the I think it can be rules that is exist when do the formal test. It's like the validity, practicability, authenticity, and also reliability. So it's like the mass rules, I think. And also that is step by step. It's like the first one, we like know what is the purpose of this test, for a grammar, for writing, or for a speaking. And then we choose the type of the question. Is it like the essay or interview or oral test, or like option, like that. And then we create the question. It must be clearly and not make confusing. And then we make sure think about the how we can assess or give the grade. Is it with the point, or subjective, or objective, something like that. And then what the type of the formal test is it. So it's like can be selected response is like the option one, and then constructed response is like essay, like they give the question and then like no option, and then we just like answer best our understanding. And then the performance is like the practically it's like speaking, for example. So yeah. And also there have the alternative assessment. I think it's already explained in the previous topic. It's like the project, presentation, or maybe like make a journal article. It's like the project also, I thought. So yeah, I think that's all based my understanding what I already read about uh, topic 9. Yeah, I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.